Welcome to iWater Supplier app. On using this iWater Supplier app, supplier can deliver purified water cans to the customers. When you open this app, login page appears where you have to register, which is one-time process. Here it asks few basic information such as company name, supplier name, mobile number, PIN number, PIN code of the user to login into the app. Once you create the new account, enter the OTP to complete the registration. Thus you have created the account successfully. You can add delivery person by choosing delivery person option from the menu, which requires certain relatable information. Click on Add Customer icon on the top right corner. Here you can specifically add customers of an individual or a business. You have to provide required information as choosing delivery person, name, mobile number, number of cans, address, PIN code, city, security deposit, water can price, which can be altered for each entry. You can create new order for an individual or for a business by clicking New Order option displayed on top of the screen. There you have to select customer by entering either customer ID or name or mobile number. Then enter the number of cans required. Schedule your own date and time. Choose the delivery person and delivery address. The created order will appear on the front page with pending status, which can be either accepted or cancelled by you. And also, you can modify the delivered person as well if the order has been accepted. Once you accept the order, pending status will be changed to processing. While delivering water cans, you will have to click on processing status. So it will direct you to order detail page, which contains details such as number of ordered, delivered and empty cans with the payment summary. You have to enter the number of empty cans received, number of delivered water cans and the amount received from the customer as you deliver it. And then you have to click on Deliver Now button to record the delivered order. You can look back the delivered orders from Delivered menu. The orders received by the delivery person can be seen through Delivery Person Order menu, where you can alter the delivery person so that you can transfer the order to other delivery person too. You may have to accept the request by clicking on Confirm option to make as your customer. While confirming, you may have to update the requirements of the customer and the security deposit amount given by the customer. The details of each customer can be viewed or edited in Customer Profile through Customers menu, and also you can view order history of each customer, which displays total due amount and empty cans in hand. You can view the details of delivery persons in the Delivery Person menu, where you can add a new delivery person or edit the existing delivery person by selecting the profile. You can also add pin codes of other location where you wish to deliver water cans through Delivery Pin Codes menu. You can track due amount to be paid of each customers from Billing menu. You can update your profile details through My Profile menu. If required, you can provide feedback or any complaint through Feedback or Support menu. Thank you for using this app.